Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're here at the Disney Sounds of Magic night for the annual pass holders in Disneyland Paris, and we're going right in, and I'll see you when we get our little goodie bag. Thank you. We just got this envelope and we got this little band, so we're all checked in. And the party is gonna start at like 9:30, so we have a long way to go because it's only 7, I would say. So I'll see you guys when the party starts. Okay, so we just got this envelope, like I said, and let's open it. So there's this inside. It's a little notepad. And in the back there's this. It's a little card. And then there's also a pen. The party has officially started, as you can probably hear. In 10 minutes there's going to be like an opening show, so at the Central Plaza, so we're going there next. I'm really excited for this evening, but it was raining a lot earlier, so I had to wear my jacket, but now I can wear my Marie outfit again. So let's go! The show is done. We didn't have the best spot, but it's fine. The singing was amazing, so I hope you kind of got what was going on, but it was just like I think it might have been the voice actor who did Elsa, like in the French version of Frozen. But I honestly have no clue, but that's what I'm thinking. But she was amazing. So although we couldn't see that very well, we definitely heard it, and she was singing amazingly. But we're going to try and meet Marie, so we're going to the beginning of Main Street because that's where she's supposed to be at. So let's go. Okay, so sorry, I was talking, but the singers were there and I got their autograph. So they wrote lots of kisses, Charlotte, and then 1,000 bisous, which is also kisses in French. Cyril? I don't know, I can't read. But they were amazing on there, so glad I got that.
Autour des plus belles chansons des grands classiques. Alors, place du Disney to Main Street, having Disney hits on the street.
So you can barely see me, but it looked like the wait line for Marie would be like a 3-hour wait, which would be way too long because the meal evening is over and we wouldn't be able to do anything. So we're just gonna watch another show and we're just gonna try and spot as many characters as we can instead of actually meet them. We'll see who we can meet and who we can't, but this is so fun.
It's a better down where it's wetter, take it from me. Up on the sun they work all day, down in the sun they stay away. Down in it's better down where it's wetter, under the sea. Down in it's
put anything underneath the umbrella right there. Là, s'il bloque.
We just met Robin Hood, which was so fun. That was really fun meet and greet. I am so sorry if this video is all over the place and so chaotic, but it's so hard with all the rain. The rain has stopped now, so it makes it a lot easier to film, because like with the rain I couldn't use a microphone and the noise was too loud, and I'm still not using a microphone because my clothes are all wet and thinking from like being wet in my break. So we're gonna have to do it this way, but I'm gonna try and meet Thumper because he's my favorite character, and I can see them right now and they're so cute. But I don't know how long the wait time is gonna be, because some characters have like wait times of 3 hours or more. So I'm hoping it's doable, because I'm kind of looking forward to meeting them most, because look how cute they are. The line for Thumper was way too long and it was already closed because it's like 12 o'clock, so this whole evening will end in 2 hours, and the line was longer than 2 hours, so I couldn't even enter the line anymore. So
satisfaire du nécessaire. Un peu d'eau fraîche et de verdure que nous prodigue la nature. Quelques rayons de miel et de soleil. Je dors dans sous les frondaisons. Et toute la jungle est ma maison. Toutes les abeilles de la forêt, petites pour moi dans les bosquets. Et quand je retourne un gros caillou, je sais trouver des fourmis dessous. Et c'est bon, c'est nous. Il en faut vraiment peu, très peu pour être heureux.
I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true. Someone like me will learn to be human too.
So it's 2 p.m. and the party is done, so we're going back to the hotel now. But I just want to say sorry for making this the most chaotic vlog ever. I barely filmed myself. I only filmed like bits and bobs like everywhere. I really tried, but it's hard because it was raining a lot this evening. Like now the rain has stopped, now it's fine. But before it was raining a lot, which made it really hard to film and speak and do things like that. It was also getting really cold because of the rain. So yeah. But it was an amazing night. We did get to see quite some characters, but we didn't get to meet any characters except for Robin Hood. Because all the lines were like really long. So I wish they would have done that differently, so we got to meet more people, more Disney characters. But I mean, I guess, you know, you take what you get. We had an amazing time, even though it rained all night and the waiting lines were so long. We did go in some attractions, which I also did not film. I'll really try harder next time. But it's just also really new to me, like vlogging and things like that, so I'm really trying. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Bye!